Stop. Do not buy a handheld gaming PC right now. If you are looking at the Steam Deck, the Legion Go, or even the current ROG Ally X, you are about to make a massive mistake. Because right now, in early 2026, the leaks have shifted from whispers to a roar. We are talking about the Asus ROG Ally 2, the true successor that is designed to change the landscape of portable gaming forever. This isn't just a spec bump. We are looking at a machine that bridges the gap between a handheld and a high-end gaming laptop. With the revolutionary AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip, a rumored OLED display that will make your eyes bleed with clarity, and a partnership with Xbox that changes everything about how we play, the ROG Ally 2 is the most anticipated piece of tech this year. In this video, we are breaking down every single detail. The 64GB RAM leaks, the massive 80Wh battery, and the secret Xbox mode that turns Windows into a seamless console. If you want to know why this device is about to kill the competition, you need to hear every word of this. This is the future of gaming, and it's called the ROG Ally 2. The heart of the ROG Ally 2 is where the real magic happens. For the last year, we've been hearing about the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. This isn't just another mobile processor. It is a 3-nanometer powerhouse built specifically for the next generation of handhelds. We are looking at 8 cores of Zen 5 architecture combined with 16 cores of RDNA 3.5 graphics. But here is the kicker. The AI in the name isn't just marketing fluff. This chip features a dedicated NPU capable of 50 TOPS. This means the ROG Ally 2 can use auto super resolution to upscale your games in real time using artificial intelligence. Imagine playing a demanding AAA title like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield at 1080p. But with the performance of 720p, you get the frame rates of a desktop and the visuals of a high-end monitor, all while sitting on your couch. But power is nothing without memory, and this is where the leaks get truly insane. There are confirmed reports of a Pro variant of the ROG Ally 2, often referred to in internal leaks as Project Kenan, that features a staggering 64GB of LPDDR5X, 8533 RAM. Let that sink in. Most gaming laptops today still ship with 16GB or 32GB. By including 64GB of ultra-fast memory, Asus is solving the biggest bottleneck in handheld gaming: shared memory. In a handheld, the CPU and GPU share the same RAM. With 64GB, you can allocate 16GB or even 24GB specifically to the GPU while still having plenty of headroom for Windows and background tasks. This results in smoother frame times, zero stuttering, and the ability to run heavy textures that would normally crash a portable device. Now let's talk about the screen, because this is where the battle with the Steam Deck OLED gets serious. While the original Ally had a great 120Hz LCD, the ROG Ally 2 is rumored to finally make the jump to a 7-inch or even an 8-inch OLED panel. We are looking at a 120Hz or potentially 144Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 500 to 600 nits. But it's the OLED technology that matters. Perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and colors that pop in a way that makes every game look like a cinematic experience.